In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your message has been read on LinkedIn. This is a simple yet important feature, especially if you're connecting with colleagues or reaching out to new contacts, and you want to make sure your message isn't just floating in the void. Let's dive in and make sure you know when your messages are seen. First things first, we need to head over to LinkedIn. Open up your browser and type in LinkedIn's URL, or simply use your favorite search engine to get to their site. Once you're there, you'll see the LinkedIn homepage, which offers you the opportunity to sign in. If you haven't logged in yet, click on the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed. This will prompt you to enter your login details. Go ahead and do that to access your account. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can see the latest updates from your connections and access various features. From here, find the messaging option. It is usually located in the top navigation bar. Click on it to proceed to your messaging center. This is where all your conversations with LinkedIn connections are stored. Inside the messaging center, you'll see a list of all your recent messages. Now, here's where it gets straightforward. Open up any conversation, and what you're looking for is a small icon that resembles a check mark. It's typically located right below the most recent message you have sent. This is the key. If you see that tiny check mark, it means your message has been read by the other person. It's LinkedIn's discreet way of letting you know that your message didn't just vanish into the ether, and your recipient has indeed seen it. It's quite a handy feature, but be mindful that this checkmark only appears if the recipient has their read receipts turned on and hasn't disabled this feature in their privacy settings. Also, note that this is only applicable to first-degree connections. So, if the person you're communicating with is beyond your first connection, or if their settings prevent it, you might not see the checkmark. And there you have it. Now you can track whether your LinkedIn messages are being read. This can be a great way to ensure your communication is effective, allowing you to follow up appropriately as needed. Just remember, the privacy settings can affect this visibility. And not seeing the checkmark isn't always an indication that someone is ignoring your message. Happy networking! And may your messages always find their way to a responsive audience.